Kalvasys hartesto kanali Vantastic.
We are Joni and Sarah and we live full time and travel in that van all around Europe.
And spring is here and finally we can start our road trip.
To the north, this is pushing to the north.
Slowly pushing.
Yeah, it's a start of the March, it's t-shirt weathers. Unfortunately, we lost some footage, actually 1 week worth of footage. We left our home, Peloponnese. It feels more home than any part of the Europe, so it's sad to leave. We are at the Corinth Bay, or Corinth Canal is behind there, and when we cross the Corinth Canal, we are out of Peloponnese.
Yeah, leaving our home. The ancient Corinth city is there, but we prefer this wasteland parking lot, which is popular among Vanlifers. When you drive to the Peloponnese by car, there's 2 options. In west side you can take a ferry or bridge from Adria to Patras, and here in the east side is the ancient Corinth, and you can see the Corinth channel, which is pretty impressive. It has been there for so long and it's so deep, but it's so small too. Yeah, this Corinth town is not our personal favorite. There's a lot of docks, kind of littered place and hectic. Not our type of town. But if you are into history, there's plenty of ancient ruins and beautiful archaeological sites. So in that sense, this is good town. But this is not our favorite. Plenty of road tolls increase, and taking the little roads saves money but not time, but you can see the beautiful scenery and real authentic Greece. We cannot escape this town. The road is closed. We might have to take a paved road to get out of here.
And we were proud saying that we don't pay tolls in Greece. And we had to pay tolls. It was €5. Let's see how much is the rest of it.
When you pay for the roads, there's perks. Free clean toilets. When we were traveling in 2016, first time in Greece with the motorhome, we did have a chemical toilet with us. And because in Greece there's not many places where you can empty the chemical caravan toilet, we did use those public toilets that are on the freeways. Behind the toilets there is a lid for the sewage, so you can open the lid and pour your toilet ingredients inside of the sewage. Yeah.
And that was the reason why we bought the composting toilet, because it's so much easier here in Greece. But back in the days, we had a perk using the toll roads, emptying our cassette toilets.
Yeah. Oh my god, another toll. Let's see how much this costs.
So you can pay with the coins, just drop the coins there, or with a card. €6.1. So it was €11 in total in tolls this time. We drove 45 kilometers. Too much in my opinion.
We did stop in this town called Tiva to make some groceries in Lidl, and we do prefer these smaller town Lidls because there's not awkward moments when people are begging for money like in the bigger cities. Yeah, and especially when they are little kids, it's kind of heartbreaking that they are not in school, but they are here just asking money all day, every day. Greece is an excellent place to visit during spring because Greeks celebrate the Greek Orthodoxian Easter, and you can find plant-based meats and also these traditional Greek foods like vegan moussaka and even feta cheese. Unfortunately, these products are not sold throughout the year, but during the Easter. And you can find, for example, in Lidl they have this Nistissimo brand that says it's the fasting food. Yeah, and also hummus, of course.
Yes, continue driving. We have a 1 hour drive from the Lidl to near Thermopylae, and we are driving in the inland. There's fields everywhere, so lots of fields that grow food for Greek people. Yeah, there's a clouds, so not that spring weather anymore, but still warm, 18 degrees. It hasn't been this warm like in months, so it's really nice to see that spring is really here. We love it.
Our next stop is to take fresh water to our water tank once again, and we are up in the mountains, so the water quality is really good.
Yay, good tasting water.
A little shortcut from the behind of the pillar, so no need to use the traditional little bowl. Ooh, it's kind of nippy here. Not warm at all. Yeah. Let's fill the water.
Smart castle.
Yay! Ooh, we are in the mountain region now, and it's so nippy cold here. We are not really sure if we stay overnight here or do we go somewhere where it's warmer climates, because this is not tempting at all. And it's so grey weather, a lot of clouds, and we cannot see the view. But let's see.
We just went over the mountain and came to the seashore, or at least close to it. Thermopylae, if you want to go thermal pads, wild thermal pads, there's I think 4 different kind of thermal pads on this area, so if you Google Greece Thermopylae, they are there. But we don't know if we spend the night here because it's quite cold still on the mountain face. This is an old road that goes here, so basically nobody uses it. Everyone uses the new road, and it's just a small lay-by just beside the road. But let's see how the weather progress here. At least we eat lunch here, or it's late lunch now, and then decide if we continue to Thermopylae straight away or stay overnight here. Still, good place to spend the night. Calm and quite beautiful, and all the greenery around you.
The best part living on the road is your kitchen is wherever you park it. You can cook your favorite meals every day if you choose to. Few pita wraps incoming, and Joni will make a tzatziki for us. Look at our garlics. They are alive! A small combat kitchen tip for you. If you want to make these pita breads soft and chewy, take a little bit of water, put it in the pan, and close the lid. The steam makes the bread really soft. No more dry bread for us anymore. It seems like it's going to be a freezing night even here.
No, it's not.
Okay.
It's 5 degrees here. So it's same as on the shoreline.
Really?
On my apps. So Sarah's maps are a little bit negative side.
Huh?
She has chosen those and I have positive. That shows that there's a +5 or +6 on the night time. Same as on the shoreline of the sea.
I think we made a deal then. We will stay overnight here. These are the heated discussions we go through. So it will be a bathing day tomorrow. But do you know what? We can put our Truma heater on and warm up the shower water now that we have a freshwater tank full of water and take a hot shower after the meal. Let's do that. Kalioreksi.
Rakosti.
When we are alone in the nature, like we are 99% of the times, we like to take showers outside from our faucet.
Or go to nature to wash ourselves.
Always the best option.
Yeah, but without any soaps. Usually when we go wash ourselves in the sea or lake or river, we don't use soaps. Yeah, this is one of the not that good sides of the being in Southern Europe. Baby wipes everywhere. Yeah, people come here to snackle and they will leave the baby wipes when they wipe themselves after being sweaty. It's really normal. It's really normal in here, but even more normal in Spain. They don't snuggle in home at all, just in their cars. Yeah, we didn't snuggle, but we drove all day, so we are a bit sweaty. Good morning. Usually we try to find these beautiful places even if we are on the road and driving whole day. So the main highway is going there and we are just a couple of kilometers away. But still, really convenient place to spend the night. I think something around 5 cars drove by here. But yeah, you can find really easily and fast these beautiful places. I don't know if you can see from there's a lot of smoke coming from that factory over there, and that is the place where they make olive oil. First they make a virgin olive oil by cold pressing, and then they heat up the mash after that and getting every drop of oil out of olives. And that smells like it's like baby diapers. It is really awful smell, and the whole valley is now smelling baby diapers because of the pomace oil that they make. But it's good that the olive is used like to the end. So they make virgin olive oil, then they make pomace olive oil, and they make like soaps and all kind of things out of that. So it's good, but it smells bad when they start to heat up the mash of olives. Yeah, it's like baby diapers.
From the baby poop smell to the rotten egg smell.
Yeah, this doesn't smell that bad that we have used to. There's lots of hot baths that really smell rotten egg. This is a little scent that you get here.
Or maybe we are just get used to it because we have been soaking here all day long. This Thermopylae area has tons of different totally free natural hot springs where you can go and soak in.
Yeah, and the name we always pronounce it different because in every road sign here it's written different. Thermopylae, Thermopylae, Thermopylae. So that's why we don't know how it's pronounced, because they always write it different way.
Yeah.
Water here is I think bit over 30, and on the upstream like maybe 500 meters that way it's all over 40.
Yeah.
So you can choose from the river which temperature you want.
Kind of perfect place to be. Here's a lot of camper vans, and this is not really our scene, but the paths are so lovely.
Yeah.
And we made a separate video about the area's different hot paths. We will put a card there if you are interested.
Whenever we cross some hot paths in our travels, we always go there.
Yeah.
That is our thing.
Let's go deep in. Thanks for watching our videos.
Bye!